10 reasons the Mediterranean is good for you. 1. High in fruits and vegetables, which are important for your health. 2. Low in fat and saturated fat, which are good for your cholesterol levels. 3. High in fiber, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Low in sugar, which can help to reduce the risk of diabetes. 5. Moderate in protein, which can help to maintain muscle mass and improve your fitness level. 6. Rich in antioxidants, which can protect against cancer incidence. 7. Low in salt, which can help to lower blood pressure levels and improve heart health. 8. Moderate in calories, which can help to maintain your weight loss goal. 9. The Mediterranean diet includes a variety of fluids, which helps to stay hydrated and prevent dehydration. 10. A healthy way of eating that has been shown to be effective for weight loss and other health benefits. Please like, share and subscribe.